Good morning, boys and girls. So our new math is up and ready for your learning. When you come into the classroom and you come to classwork, you will notice our week 1, May 4th, is right here. Your new activity calendar is ready. You will click on Tuesday through Thursday. Your math is through our Pearson. When you open this, you will see here Tuesday, Pearson Realize Assignment 1 and 2. So we're doing visual learning and lesson for lesson 9-1. Wednesdays, assignment 3 and 4, lesson 9-2. Thursdays, 5 and 6, lesson 9-3. So the teachers will not be grading or responding to these, but this is where your learning is happening. Think about our normal classroom when we do our math pages during the week. The teachers don't grade every page. If you are having an issue, please let us know through a dojo. So here you will click Math Week 1, and it's going to take you to Pearson Realize. You can go ahead and take me there now. I am currently being Genesis. So the first time you just allow. So some of you may have already done this step. It's super easy. Your preferred language, English, pick a picture. Genesis, I hope you like the cupcake. And your background. How about some butterfly? And then click ready. So now here you will see our lessons for Math Week 1. Please do 1 and 2 on Monday, 3 and 4 on Tuesday, 5 and 6 on Wednesday. These directions are a little different. We will get those fixed if possible. But in your directions, it said to do 1 and 2 on Tuesday. So just like in class, you're going to access the visual learning. And there's our robot. Oh, there's a friend. So, okay, so you'll watch this, answer the questions just like you would in class. When you finish it, you go to number 2. So this is the number 2 activity. You're going to open this. And it's going to open your active ebook. So now you will see our lesson 9-1 across the top. And these pages should look very familiar to you. They're just like in school. In our classroom, we would do the first 4 pages. So those are the 4 you should focus on. If you want to do the homework practice pages, you may do those. Those are the ones we would have sent home for practice. If you click up here, you can hide the contents and view the page a little bigger. If your parents would like to print your math, you can print it and do it. Remember, the teachers aren't checking this. So if you want to print it because that's easier for you, great. If you want to write your answers on a piece of paper as you practice so that you can draw the diagrams, great. The other thing you can do is you can use this toolbar right here. So you can move the toolbar so that you can use it. And it says, what is another way to show 100? Draw a picture and explain. So they've shown you one way, and then you would draw or write another way to do it. Sorry. I need to move my bar down. When you save on the screen, it's going to save for you. There is a pen to write. You can choose the color you want to write with. So you could choose maybe if you want to write with green. You can adjust this for how thick you want it to write. And you can see I can draw. So maybe I'm going to use these to represent 10 sticks. So if I'm not a very good straight line drawer. You also have access to some manipulatives when you click the place value blocks. Look what I found. Now I can click. So what's one way? Here's the second way. 1, 2, and I'm just clicking and it's like a stamp. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you want to save, you can. And that's going to save your work in Pearson. So now I can go ahead and go to the next page. I'm going to go back to my arrow. You can also make text boxes and write in them. Okay, so I can go through and I can complete. I didn't save my name, that's okay. It's Genesis's book. And please be patient. So now here, once again, this should look very familiar, just like in class. You can write your do you understand, write this all out. See, they give you your examples. Okay. Back in our classroom, here, you don't have to worry about turning this in, remember? What you are going to turn in is this that says Friday, week 1 math slides. So I'm going to go ahead and open the assignment. Okay, so when you're ready to submit all the files for this assignment, remember to turn it in. So this is going to be important, not just for the math slides, but for the other slides as well. When you finish the work for the week and you're happy with it, that's when you click turn in. Okay, so right now, I can open the slides. Every one of you gets your own set of slides. Okay, for math this week, these will look familiar. They're right from your math book. Anywhere you see pink, you click and there's a text box there. You simply delete the pink X's. How many hundreds are there? 9. And then you'll see your answer there. Down here, if there's a multiple choice question, we gave you a pink dot. Each bag has 100 pretzels. Count by hundreds to find the total, which is the total number of pretzels in the bag. Which is the total number of pretzels in the bags? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there's 5 bags and there's 100 in each, that means there are 500. And I just move the pink circle. When I'm all done, if I don't have time to finish today, I have to go, I just X out because look, it says all your changes are saved. So I just X out, and then the next time I can practice and finish working, I just click in here again. When I'm all done, I click turn in.